Okay, welcome back students. So in the previous class we have discussed the drop table, drop view, the last topic. Okay, I hope you understood. And drop table is, I can remember you, drop table is we have to be drop a whole table from database, right? Okay, means drop whole table means we have to be first of all empty the table. You already understood. And drop view is drop the view means partial table. Okay. So in this class we have discussed some important example, and that is very important because that type of example directly coming in final exam from the book. That's why I discussed. First question is, you see, write a query on the customers. Write a query on the customers one table, okay, customers table, but there is some condition. Write a query on the customers table, okay, whose output will exclude all customers, you see, exclude all customers with a rating less than is equal 100. This is the less than symbol, unless they are located in Simla. Now, important thing is, first of all, in SQL questions, you see, you have to be first of all understood the condition, what the questions asks you. None other than you cannot able to answer the questions. Okay, first of all, you have to understand the condition. What is the condition of this question? Then you can crack the query. Otherwise, you cannot crack the query because whatever done in this class, we done some example, and that example is also important for practical exam also. Because in your practical exam, 4 or 5 marks is for SQL coming. One is for C++ programming, and 4 or 5 marks SQL query coming. You no need to be done in practically, just you need to be write the practical in theory. SQL query means in theoretically write down in copy. That's why I take this class only for example, because this example is very important. Because many students mistake in exam means in the practical exam. Okay, I know, that's why. You see, what is the condition of this question? You just read it carefully. Write a query on a customers tables. Means your table name is what? Customers. You just find a customer name. Table name is customer. Whose output will is, remember, you see, exclude all the customers with a rating less than is equal 100. Means the customers whose rating is less than or is equal 100, means 100 or 99, 98 like that, less than is equal 100, that customer will be exclude. Means that customer will be exclude from where? Exclude from the table, means customer table. Suppose in a hotel or something in online, suppose in hotel booking, you can just take it as assume it. Suppose they prepare a list, customer list, suppose customer table. They see whose customer rating is higher or less. Then suppose see there's one customer rating is 100, they exclude the customer name. Suppose one customer rating is 99, they exclude the customer rank. Just suppose customer name, or 85, they exclude the name. But the customer whose rating is 101, 102 means greater than 100, that customer will be included in that table. Or one condition, unless they are located in Simla. Means there is two conditions in where they exclude. One condition is exclude all the customers with a rating less than 100 unless they are located in Simla. Means unless they are located in Simla. If they are located in Simla, exclude. You see. Means you see, I just give unless they are located in Shimla means which is not in Shimla actually, which is not in Shimla, unless, but which is located in Shimla, that is included. Okay, first see, okay, I just last one time I tell you, write a query on the customers table whose output will exclude all customers with a rating less than or equal 100, means which rating is less than or equal 100, they exclude all the customers, and unless they are located in Shimla. Means if they are located in Shimla, suppose there is a customer whose rating is 99 and he is living in Shimla, then he is included. He is included. But suppose one rating is 99 and he is located in Delhi, he is not included. Means this is include and this is exclude. Understood? Means what? Condition is less than or equal 100, he excluded. But in that condition, he less than or equal 100, but he is located in Shimla, that's why included. Means for Shimla location customer, if they are less than or equal 100, they are allowed. If Shimla, if one customer who location is Shimla, he or she allowed. If the customer has rating less than or equal 100, but in other state, he is or she is not allowed. Okay? Means again I will last say you the customer which rating is less than or equal 100, he is excluded, but if he is located in Shimla, he is included, unless they are located in Shimla. That is the concept. Okay? You see in the query, select star from customers. Select star from customers means you have to be display whole tables. Okay, customers is table name, where we include where clause, because there is a condition where rating greater than 100 or city Shimla. This is the condition. Select star from customers means you select all the table, means all the data where rating greater than 100. Well, we have to exclude all the customer less than or equal 100. That is rating greater than 100, or which city is Shimla, who is located in Shimla. Means suppose there is a customer which is included in this condition, but suppose he is located in Shimla, he can allow. That's why there is any condition. So there is for other than Shimla state, the customer, they must be rating will be greater than 100, other than Shimla state. But who is living in Shimla, who is location is Shimla, suppose their rating is less than or equal 100, they are allowed. But in for other state, they are not allowed. That's the condition. Okay? Or you can write like another way. This is the one way. Okay, this is the one way. In exam, when this question, this question is coming in final exam also. I remember in 2017. 16, if you see the question, you see this question directly coming. That's why I done. If you see the questions, then you understood. You can write any one query. I just write it in two ways. This is one way, and I write it the two ways. Okay. Also, one way is select star from customers where not rating, where not rating where not rating less than or equal 100 or CT is equal similar. You see, is a see both the condition, both the query means both the query. One is this query and one is this. Both the concept is same. One is rating greater than or equal 100. They are included or CT similar. I will explain you. And second one is which is not rating less than or equal 100. Not rating means what? This condition. Not less than is equal 100 means greater than 100. Same thing. Or CT similar means you can write either this way or this way. In exams, when suppose this question is coming, you can write this or this. I just clear you all the concept. Means this line is same as this line. You see, where not rating greater than less than 100 means one greater than 100. Suppose you can say that not this is not less than is equal 100 is not possible. Then means what? Greater than 100. Same thing. This concept is same or not? Same. That is the concept. Okay. And one questions you see. I hope this is you clearly understood. If you any doubt, don't be afraid. You just. I hope this is very easy. Okay, this is very easy. Just read it carefully and easily understood. If you understood the questions, then easily understood the answer. The main thing is questions. I always again tell you in SQL you need to be understood the questions clearly. That is the important part. Next you see, that is also important. Write a query that selects all orders, except those with zeros or null in the amount field. AMT amount field. You see, what read? Write a query that selects all orders except those with zeros or null in the amount field. Means, suppose there is a table orders. Means we have to create a query like that the select all orders means whole table, but we have to be excluded the attributes which is zero null in the amount field. Means in the amount field, suppose there is a order table, okay? Suppose table orders, and suppose there is many attribute, order ID, order name, order price, like that, or one is the amount section. And in amount section which value is 0, that will be excluded. Understood? Means again I say you see, there is a table order. Okay, just imagine, just take it. Okay, there is a table order, there is a attribute. So order ID, order name, order price, or amount is a attribute, means special column. Okay, one column. Condition is except those with zeros or null in the amount field. Means in the amount field which value is 0, means you can say void or null, that row will be, means in the, again I say order ID, name, price and amount. In amount column which is 0, you just excluded that row, and other than that you can display. You can create a query like that condition. Understood? This is the main thing. So you just write it, select star from orders where select star from orders where amount less than greater than means this is no existence, means neither less than 0 or greater than 0, means null will be excluded. That is the concept. And yes, amount is not null, means which is not null, that will be accepted, that will be included, and amount is not null. Amount attribute section, the field is not null. Okay, you see, select star from orders where amount neither less than nor greater than, means which is null or 0, that will be excluded, and amount which is not null, that will be included. Means in this condition the attribute will be, the table will be displayed, means the table have the only that rows which is not null. That's why this symbol, and we write in the word not null. Understood? Okay. So okay, next is we done one big table query problem. Okay, you see in the book, you see 15 number questions, you see, just I don't make the table. You see there is a table, one is participant, events and result. Okay, and we have to find the RDMS operation degree and cardinal. Degree means what? The number of what? Degree means number of attribute, means number of columns, and degree is 4. You see in the result section, in the result table, you see in the book 634 page. Degree is what? Degree is 4, because degree means number of attribute, number of column, and cardinality means number of rows, and number of rows is 6. Okay. Next you see, okay, suppose there is a table. Okay, consider the following tables. Store an item, store an item and answer means we have to create two table. Answer AB means there is a questions. Okay, store an item. Okay, in store table, you see this store table, there is 3 attributes. And there is a item table. This is our item table. You see there is 4 attributes. In store table, see on a serial number, serial name, means store table, store name is like that, and one is area, and second one is item number, item name, item number, item I name means item number, item name, price and serial number. Okay, you see, we just give the data, the field value. Okay, they just write this ABC like one computronics store name. Okay, we have to make a large table. Computronics and area is suppose data. All infotech media. Okay, you just see it just in front of book that I just don't make the table because there is no enough time. You see, there is two table. Okay, basically there is two table. You just see it in the book. I just give it a concept. Okay, there is two table, store and item. Okay, you just see in book the 16 number questions. First query is what? To display item name and price of all the items in ascending order of their price. Means what we've done, item name and price of all the items in ascending order of their price. Means we have to make a query for in sorted order, in ascending order through item name and item price. The first query is what? Select item name comma price from table items, means this table name item, where so the item order by price. Order by price. You see, means we have to select the item name and price from item table, order by price. Means we have to arrange in sorted order. And second question is to display S name and S number and S name of all stores located in CP, the area. We just like that. Select S number and S name from store. We access this table, first table from store, where area is equal what? CP. You see there is an area, which area is CP. Means concept is what? With that area CP, we access the only S name and S price. Sorry, S name and S number. S name and S number in CP. What is S02 all infotech media and S05 high tech tech store. You see in the table in the book. One is S02 all infotech media and second one is S05 high tech tech store. Only that two value will be coming when you done this query. And third one is to display minimum and maximum price of each item name or table item. We have to declare minimum and maximum price. You see, this is important. How we access? We using a special term minimum and for maximum. You see. For third, you see, select item name, comma, minimum price and maximum price. from table, item name is coming in this table, item. Condition is group by. Why group by? Because we have to group by item name. Because as a group by clause, you see, group by means as a what? As a item name. Means as a item name, this will be coming simultaneously by using minimum price and maximum price. Group by item name. Group by item name. Means what is the questions? To display minimum maximum price of each item name from the table item. The minimum maximum price of each item name. Means individually minimum is coming. Suppose there is a minimum of, suppose what is the minimum coming? Minimum value is what? Item name, suppose keyboard, mouse, you see, that is minimum, or motherboard, LCD, that is coming in maximum, like that. Okay, and fourth one is to display item name, price of all items and their respective S name where they are available. That is also same concept. You see by yourself. There is also select I name, price, S name from item and store, because we have to access both the table, because we have to be access of all items and respective S name also, because item name and pricing is coming in this table and S name is coming in this table. That's why we have to be access both the table. Okay, and that's just select I name, price from item store. We have to access both the table, because we have to be access both the table attribute. Because again I am saying item name, price is coming in this table, S name is coming in this table, included S name included in this table, and that is coming in this table. That's why we have to access both the table, and where item name dot S number and store dot S number. The S number is what? Common in both the table. You see, S number is common. There is a S number column in here, also one S number column. That's how we take S number dot what? Item dot S number. We use like that. You see, I don't write the whole query. Item dot S number and store dot S number. Means this S number is common and item is one table, store is one table. Then you can join, right? And number B, you see, sometime in exam also query is given, you have to give the output. First select distinct. This is very easy. Item name from item where price greater than equal 5,000. You just say greater than 5,000 is what? LCD. Greater than is equal, that means hard disk, LCD, motherboard coming. Very important. And 3 is what? Select count distinct area from store. Distinct area means what? Distinct area means what? GK one place, CP one place, and Nehru place one place. Nehru place is double coming and CP is double coming, but in distinct when you use, duplication is eliminated. I already say you, when we use distinct word, I already give you a concept of in the last class. Distinct keyword is used, the redundancy will be gone. That's why the city will be not coming like 5 city. You see, there is 5 row, CP will be coming twice, like that. Okay, Nehru place coming twice. Okay, that's why suppose when we use distinct word, that twice will be gone, means duplication will be gone, redundancy will be gone, distinctly coming. That's why Nehru place is don't coming twice. Nehru place is 1, CP is coming 1, and another GK 3 means 3. Like that. You see, this is when the output is given, means when query is given, then output finding also will be coming in exam. Then that is very also easy. But when you have to make a query, then you can understand the questions. And if this query is already given, then easily understood the output. Means second part, B section you see in your book. Okay? I hope you easily understood. And there is many example in the book. You just see by yourself and you usually understood. This is very easy. And if you any that you can ask me. Okay? So database is ending in here. Okay? SQL is ending. In next class, we shall start Boolean algebra. Okay? So I hope you understood clearly that the whole database SQL purpose. Okay? In next class, we shall start Boolean algebra. Okay? Thank you.